Hi everyone! So this is going to be the summer New York City packing video, which I'm so excited about. If you guys don't know, my boyfriend and I booked a very last minute trip to New York, and I put together a lot of outfits super duper last minute, and I'm gonna be showing you guys and trying on the outfits with you in this video. So out of all of the outfits that I put together, I have a few that I am like obsessed with and cannot wait to wear. This is one of them. I found this piece thrifting. It's a vintage Nanette Leopold piece. Look at that tag, and it is so nice. It's a cardigan and it buttons. Look, first of all, can we talk about the detailing on this cardigan? It has these cute little circular pom-poms all around it, and it's just nice and sequined out. And I was pretty sad that I wasn't going to be able to wear this cardigan anytime soon, because you guys know I live in Miami, so it's really hot, but it is currently 60 degrees in New York, so I can't take it there. And then I also have this skirt, which you guys have seen on my channel many times. It's actually a skirt, so it's a skirt in the front, and then on the back it's a pair of shorts, which is so cool. Next is this green cardigan, which this one is a bit out of my comfort zone. I don't know if I love this outfit just yet, but I did get this green cardigan when I was thrifting one of these days, and I love the material of it, and I love the color. I feel like it's so unique. I'm gonna be pairing it with that black skirt for another outfit, and I'm gonna wear it very casually. These are the flats. They are so cute. They kind of remind me of those slippers that people wear in the house, but they're actually not. They are flats, and I love these. I wear them a lot, and I did get these from Ross, but I could see if I could find them on Amazon or like to know it for you guys. Moving on, I have very casual outfits that I'm going to be wearing. First of all, you can't go wrong with a simple white tank top. I am pairing this one with a really fun, sporty pair of jeans. These are Levi's. If you guys haven't seen my massive Levi's collection video, make sure you check it out. I will link it here. You guys will love that video so much, because I show you all of my Levi's jeans. These Levi's are so fun. They are the midi ankle boot cuts. As you can see, I wear a size 23, and the length on these is like super, they're right at the ankle. They are like high waters, but they're supposed to fit like that. And as you can see, again, they're just very sporty. And I love this piece because it reminds me very much of like baseball. So New York Yankees, I don't know. I was kind of getting that New York baseball type of vibe with that outfit, which I really like. And you can pair that outfit with a hat. I decided to pair it with this adorable red hat that says enjoy the process. I love it. I wear that hat a lot. You guys have probably seen that one on Instagram before. And for the shoes, I am also going to be bringing my Wills Bonner Adidas, which I love pairing these with sporty type outfits. So there's no better time than now than to take them out and rock them in New York, which I think is gonna look so cute. So I'm trying to wear a lot of these denim bottoms or just regular bottoms and tops. I'm trying to mix and match them so I don't bring so many things, because we are going for 4 days, which actually is a pretty long time. Usually people do New York in 2 days, but so happy that we have some time. I want to show you guys these really adorable pairs of Levi's shorts that I'm wearing. They are the 80s mom shorts in a dark wash. I am going to be wearing these with a couple of outfits. One that I'm really excited about is I'm taking out this gorgeous top that I'm obsessed with. It has an open back. Look at this open back detail. You guys are obviously gonna see it in the try on, but this top is so nice, and I feel like it's perfect for summer in New York because it is a t-shirt, yet it has an open back, so it's nice and airy. I think this is gonna be a really nice piece. And you guys, I'm going to be accessorizing a lot. You guys are going to see these bangles in a lot of pictures. I am gonna bring this adorable necklace that says J on it. I got it from my boyfriend. And then I have these super cute gold earrings on. So you guys are going to see the rings, a lot of jewelry on, and of course I always wear my glasses. I actually don't really wear my glasses in a lot of pictures. Not that I'm insecure about my glasses, I'm just not big on wearing them. I wear them all the time, so I feel like people see me in glasses all the time. So when I do take pictures, I take them off. But I don't know, maybe I'll throw these on for some pictures. But anyways, I was getting up to the belts. I am gonna be bringing this belt with me. I did get it from Zara and I love it. I'm gonna wear this belt with a lot of my outfits because I just wanna look very refined and chic when I'm in New York. So you guys will see that belt a lot. I am also going to be wearing this hat. Yes, it's a New York hat. Let me know in the comments if you guys think New York hats in New York are touristy. I really don't wanna look like a tourist, but like, I have to take out my New York hat, you know? I think this is gonna be so cute. I am gonna be wearing it with a lot of outfits. This one specifically with the black top and the shorts, I am gonna be wearing it, and I am gonna throw on, I believe, my Wills Bonners. In the try on haul, if I'm wearing the red shoes, I'm gonna wear the red ones, but I don't remember. I have to write down these outfits, you guys, because I really don't remember sometimes. But Anyways, I'm also going to wear on a different day this gorgeous gingham top, which I'm really excited to wear because it's so girly. I feel like a lot of my outfits can be a bit sporty, which is fine because I love dressing up like super sporty, and I also love dressing up super chic. So I have the best of both worlds. But this gingham top I'm so excited to bring out. It's got these puffy sleeves. It's got little ties on the bottom, frill. Like I'm so ready to wear this out. And I'm actually going to be wearing it with my cheetah Adidas Sambas, which is out of my comfort zone. Usually I would wear sandals with that top, but we're gonna make it a bit sporty, which I'm so excited about. I think it's gonna look so good. Next outfit, I love this outfit so much. So I got this top recently thrifting, and can you guys please look at the brand? Maeve by Anthropologie. I found an Anthropologie top for so cheap. I think it was like $6. I am obsessed with it, and look at the detailing on this. It's so frilly and puffy. It does have a long sleeve. Like, it's kind of like a half sleeve. What's interesting about the half sleeve is I can't wear this top here in Miami because every day I wake up and it's over 95 degrees. So I really can't wear this top out, but just knowing that it's 60 degrees in New York means I can wear this one out, and I'm just so excited to wear it. I have to wear it with a pair of jeans, so I am going to be wearing it with these Levi's jeans that I have and I love. They are a nice dark wash. They are the ribcage straight ankles in a size 23, and they have like this really cool pocket. These jeans are so elevated. They're not very casual. They're actually pretty dressy in my opinion, very chic. They're a nice pair of jeans. For the next outfit, I have just a simple black little crop top that you cannot go wrong with. I actually wanted to bring my Wild Fable one more than this one. I got this one like on Amazon, but I'm gonna switch it out for my Wild Fable one that is like way better quality. And then I am going to be bringing my Addicted pants. These are flare jeans, and they are like, I don't know this material. It's not leather. They're like a faux leather. It's really cool. I'm gonna be wearing these with red accents, so I am gonna be pairing them with my Adidas Wills Bonners, the red ones, and I'm also going to be wearing the red hat that you guys saw. For the last piece that I have to show you guys in this pack with me video, which, oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm going to New York tomorrow. Like, that's crazy. This is so last minute. I'm not really big on last minute traveling, but Jose and I have been talking for a while about how we wanted to go back to New York. We haven't been in, what has it been, like 4, maybe 5 years. We're going back, and I'm just so excited to be there again. So last piece that I have for you guys is this Inspo House of CB dupe dress, which I think you guys have seen this dress before on my channel. I love it. It's so stretchy, so comfy, and just so delicate looking. So far, I'm loving it. It's just so comfortable. And I'm not really bringing any dresses to this trip because I don't know if we're gonna be eating out at like these fancy places. Maybe we will, but I'm gonna be wearing that dress. I'm not going to go too crazy because I truly don't know what the vibes are. I don't know what the weather is. Like, I don't even remember what 60 degrees feels like. Is that cold or is that warm? I'm pretty sure it's cold because if we get 90 degrees every day, 60 must be like freezing. And then the sandals that I'm gonna be wearing with that dress is just these simple brown ones. I also am gonna wear these with my Maeve top and the gorgeous Levi's jeans. So as you can see, I'm just trying to recycle them because I don't wanna bring too many pieces. So that is my New York City 2025 summer pack with me haul. I hope that you guys loved it. Let me know which outfit you guys loved in the comment section down below. I'm so curious. You guys already know my personal favorite is the Anthropologie outfit. I'm so excited to take a picture in that one, as well as the Nanette Lepore cardigan outfit. That outfit, it's gonna look so nice. I have a vision and I think it's gonna look great. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the New York vlog because it's going to be an amazing one. I cannot wait to go to New York. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. You know I love to talk to you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.